Okay, fam, quick video this morning. I did say that I would come back and show you how to get your employer identification number online that you need to have with your LLC. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through that and how to apply for your EIN number. You can get your tax ID number online. Remember, this is for your business, okay, and it's only used for business purposes. Okay, now if you need more information on what the tax ID number, the EIN number can be used for, then you need to go to the website of the IRS and look under small business, and also look under tax ID number for any of your questions that you may have. Also, there's a toll-free number on the website that you can contact, and if you have any questions that you don't see on the website, you can ask questions there, okay? But this is setting up your business so you can go get a bank account to put your funds in that you receive from your business, okay? So the first step, I showed you how to get your LLC online, okay? And I saw some of your comments about some states don't allow you to get it online. That's fine. All you gotta do is print out your documents, send in your payment and your money, and it will come back to you, okay? And this is something that you can do yourself, and you don't have to pay anyone to do it for you, okay? The tax ID number, the federal employer identification number, which is called, is a free number that you do not have to pay for. It's a number issued by the IRS so that you can establish your business as a entity, as a business, okay? It separates, it's saying that you are starting a new business, and to be identified with your business, and for tax purposes, when you file your return, you will use that number, okay? Instead of your social. What else? And then you would take these documents down to open up your bank account. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through the steps. I did it. It took about 5 minutes. I got my, what we did was I got my Brock Logistics LLC, which is now registered, and I also have my tax ID number that is with the Brock Logistics LLC. Remember, any business that you have, if it's more than one business, to always separate the business, okay? Separate the accounting for the business, separate the accounts for the bank accounts for the business, because you don't want to get in trouble about commingling the funds, okay? You don't want to mix your business and your personal together, all right? You always got to keep that separate, okay? But yeah, I'll walk you through it, okay? If you have any questions, please go to the IRS website. They have a lot of answers for you there. If you don't see, like I said, if you don't see your answer, call them and they can answer your question. But yeah, other than that, let's get started, okay? Okay, fam, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the IRS website, okay, which is www.irs.gov, employer identification number, okay, and it will say employer ID numbers, it's under small business and self-employed, okay. It explains to you if you need an EIN number, do you need a new EIN number, how long it will take, what you do if you need to cancel your ID number. So you can go through this and look at it yourself, okay? Now, all you do is you're going to hit right there where it says apply for your EIN number, okay? Now, the hours of operation is Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. If it's after those hours, then the website will not come up, okay? You have to do it in those hours, okay? Determine your eligibility, understand the online application, submit your application. Okay, then you're going to hit apply online now. All right. Once you do that, it tells you about the EIN assistant. It tells you the restrictions. You read over that. Then you go to begin application, okay? All right. You want to decide what kind of structure that you have. What are you applying for, okay? And it is a LLC, limited liability company, okay? Now, it says you have chosen the limit liability company. It will tell you what it is, okay? And it will tell you what it is not. Okay, now right here, it's going to ask you how many members are in your LLC. So if you're the only person that is running that LLC and you're not running it with no one, you just put 1 right there. Okay, and then it says, where is your business located? So you're going to put the state of where your business is located right there. Then you're going to hit continue. All right. Now, it says, due to the number of members in your limited liability company, you are considered a single member LLC. Okay. And it tells you about the single member LLC. And tells you can't file a partnership return with a single member LLC. Okay. Now, why are you asking for a EIN number? Are you using it to start a new business, hire employees, banking purposes, change organization, different things like that? So what I put is start a new business. You're going to hit continue. All right. Choose one. Is this an individual business? Or is it, no, who is responsible party for the LLC? Okay. It's going to be the individual, which is myself. All right. And we're going to hit continue. Now, right here, you're going to put first name, middle name, last name, and your social. Okay. That's what you're going to put here. That will link you to this EIN number, okay? Okay, once you put your social and everything in there, it's going to ask you, choose one. I am the owner of a managing LLC, or you a third party, okay? Now, okay, make sure that once you fill out all the information, on the last step, it's going to ask you, are you a third party or you actually the person that's filing for the EIN number? Now, if you're a third party, like if you're filing an EIN number for an LLC, or, you know, if you're a LegalZoom or one of those companies that file for the EIN number, they have to get your permission first before they can file your EIN number, okay? But if it's yourself, then you can go ahead and do it. Once you submit the information, you're going to get a form like this. It's going to have a summary, okay? And it's going to tell you to submit your information. You'll look over your information to make sure that it's right, if you need to make any changes to it, okay? And it will ask you questions like for this one, let's see, can I focus? It will ask you a couple of other questions. So I put transportation and trucking, and then it will ask you to submit, okay? Now, once you submit it, it's going to take about, instantly you should get your number. You're going to get another form that looks like this, okay? Now, once you hit submit, it's going to say, congratulations, your EIN has been successfully assigned. It's going to give you an EIN number, and it's going to have the name of your company, okay? Now, you will also get a chance to print out your EIN confirmation letter. This is the letter that you need to go take with your bank account, okay, to open up your bank account, your business account, okay. So you want to print that out for your records. Always keep that, okay. Print that out, and then what you're going to get is your EIN letter, okay. So it's going to have the name of your business, it's going to have your address on it, it's going to have your EIN number on it, and this is the actual letter that shows that you was assigned a tax ID number, okay. So it has all your information. You want to print this out and keep it for your records, okay. Okay, fam, I showed you how to do your tax ID number, and you want to take your paperwork for your LLC, also the paperwork for your tax ID number when you are going to orientation to do a lease purchase, okay. So they will have your business name set up for your business because you're getting a 1099. One of the questions asked on the EIN, do you need to, are you preparing W-2s, okay. So you want to answer that question if you're opening up a business that's going to have employees, okay. But other than that, that's it. I hope I explained it simply for you, in a simple fashion for you, so to let you know that everybody can do it. Just walk yourself through it and you can have it. The next thing that I am going to show you is how to apply for your Duns and Bradstreet number, okay. That's also a free number to start establishing your business credit. All right, talk to you later. Bye.